Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. If you have a shoe lover in your life, or if you're one yourself, then you will want to go with the shoe calendar from Workman. This calendar is something that my dear sister-in-law has been giving me every year, and it never ceases to amaze me how many shoes there are in the world. The calendar is really nice because it comes with a holder, so you can prop it up onto a desk or other surface, and every day you get a bright, vivid pair of shoes to brighten your day. I also really like that the pictures are really big. This is a good size calendar, so from time to time I've added these into little notes for friends, and I've saved them so that I can add them to some frames when I'm in the mood to have some shoes on the wall. The shoes that are in here are from different time periods, which is really cool. So sometimes you'll go back to the 20s and see an older pair of shoes, or they have really funky modern ones that I personally would never think to wear. And it's amazing of all the designs of shoes that have come out. For yourself or a shoe lover, definitely go with this calendar. They will love it as I do every year. And that's my point of view.